Today I'm joined by my friend and colleague Andy Carroll. Andy has worked throughout the healthcare ecosystem and he's got a particular focus on the growth of AI throughout digital health. Today we're going to go through the top four trends we think are going to affect digital health in 2024. Andy, do you want to kick us off?
Thanks, Matthew. I'd love to kick us off. And I think one trend we're going to see in 2024 is virtual first. Now, many folks are talking about virtual first, but to actually implement that, it requires a lot of data exchange, both inbound and outbound from the point solution, the payer, and the provider. So with virtual first, you see that digital platform as a triage point to get the patient the care they need, regardless of the solution.
Thank you, Andy. As a number two trend, I think we're going to see a huge ongoing impact from the GLP-1 weight loss drugs. We saw a lot of impact on the stock prices of the sleep companies this year. We're going to see ongoing impacts to a lot more MedTech companies. Whether you're an orthopedic company, whether you're a stent companies, we're going to see more successful clinical trials this year. And these drugs are going to have impacts across all of MedTech. Do you want to go ahead with the next one, Andy?
Thanks, Matthew. Another trend that I think we'll see a lot of interest in this year is Femtech. There are many underserved populations within healthcare, and health equity is a big part of that. One of those areas of focus will be supporting women better, particularly in the workplace. We're seeing not only startup solutions, but also large employers taking action to support women, whether they're going through menopause, a life event like a birth, or it's post-life event and they need childcare, or even monthly support for menstruation. Women need better care at home and at work, and employers are getting past the stigma that typically comes with providing that support to women. So I'd be excited to see employers and payers and other point solutions give more of a focus on female needs this year.
As my final trend of the year, I think we're going to see more regulation. I think we're going to see the Sunshine Act Part 2. You know, last year we saw a big expose of MedTech companies funding the setup of some arthrectomy clinics that allegedly did some real patient harm. We've seen Eli Lilly set up working closely with some telehealth providers to go very close to direct consumer sales of their weight loss drugs, which, while not directly going against the Sunshine Act, is really going against the spirit of it. And I think regulators aren't going to stand for this. And I think we're going to see the Sunshine Act Part 2.
We've always joked throughout healthcare, oh, if I could only take a pill that would do this magic thing, maybe I would do it. Well, now we're at that stage where you can take an injection and it provides amazing results. I'm curious as to whether it is sustainable or it might go the route of bariatric surgery, where it is only truly effective for a small subset that have that treatment.
So those are our four trends for the year. For the rest of this week, we'll be digging into those four trends and giving you a little bit more color around them. Thanks very much for joining us. We'd love to see your comments below.
Thank you, Matthew.